Alright guys, today we're doing the JLT oil separator on a 2.7 liter EcoBoost. It's the same separator kit that comes for the 5.0, the 2.7, the 3.5. This is the passenger side kit. So it's almost plug and play, super simple. So you got your whole assembly here put together already, and then you get a bracket and then some hardware. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the some wires at the battery. Not disconnect, but move the loom. So right here, this wire loom, there's just a little clip at the bottom. So we just got to get it to pull up. There. Just got to have the right tool. Then we'll grab the bracket and the hardware. So with this hardware, you want the J clip and one of your bolts here. And then right here, where that hole is, you're gonna put your J-clip through it. There! All the wires are still placed. Perfect. And then, of course, nut driver works, yes. Sweet. Oh my god, man, that thing is tight! Who did that last? There we go. Step number 2. Remove engine cover and throw away. Super simple. All right, get this thing mounted next. And then for the 2.7, the longer hose is towards the front of the truck. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I know that is on the 2.7. All right. And then simply disconnect the old one, which is probably gonna be fun. There, I figured it out. Stupid little tab at the bottom. You pull this gray piece, pull that out, and then you can pull it off. There. Dang it. All right. So shorty comes over here to this fella. Clip. Long guy goes up here. Just like this. Just like that. There. That's mounted. Oil cap back on. All right, there's the finished product. Cover is back on. Oil separator is here, routed correctly. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Until we meet again, later.